Have you seen the buzz around Lyva, the supplement that claims to be the all-in-one natural solution for perimenopause? It promises balanced hormones, improved mood, sharper focus, and relief from fatigue without synthetic hormones or side effects. Sounds amazing, right? But before you grab a bottle, let's take a deeper look at what's really behind these claims. Lyva markets itself as a breakthrough formula for women struggling with hormonal imbalance, but when you dig into the details, things start to look questionable. The brand boasts about clinically backed ingredients, yet there's no independent clinical trial or verified research directly proving Lyva's formula actually works. Some of their claims are incredibly vague, like supports natural estrogen balance, without explaining how or showing data to support it. The images used on their official site appear to be stock photos, and several customer reviews look suspiciously similar, raising questions about authenticity. While some users online report minor improvements in mood or sleep, others mention no noticeable results even after weeks of use. Plus, the brand throws around some bold statistics about effectiveness that can't be verified anywhere else. It's not exactly a scam, but it's far from proven to be legit either. The ingredients, like black cohosh, chaseberry, and magnesium, are known for potential hormone support, but their dosage and combination in Lyva don't seem to follow any standard clinical pattern. The packaging looks professional and polished, but the lack of transparency about the manufacturer, testing standards, and medical endorsements makes it hard to trust fully. Overall, Lyva sits in that gray zone between promising marketing and questionable credibility. If you're considering it, do your research, check reviews from verified buyers, and maybe consult your doctor before spending your money. Because when it comes to your hormones, it's better to trust science, not just slick advertising.